Hello, my name is Mrs. Alfieri, and I am your child's studio and art teacher this year for the 2020-2021 school year. The course is a half-year course, but the half-year course will count as their art credit for graduation. On the screen in front of you is your child's Canvas homepage for studio and art. As you scroll down, there are links to our daily meets. We meet on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Wednesday, the teachers work from home, but it's the expectation the students will still log into their Canvas page and complete the daily assignment. Down below are buttons to our modules or our unit assignments. I'm going to click on Classroom Resources. This just has quick links, how to navigate Canvas, completing an assignment, little things that if the kids get confused, but I think for the most part, they're getting the hang of it now. We do keep an online portfolio for our major projects, and we use Artsonia for that. Artsonia is a very user-friendly, artistic-friendly place for students to upload their artwork. Canvas is great for their daily class activities and whatnot, but Artsonia is really a great artistic platform for students to work with. If your child happens to miss class, they can always go back and check our daily agenda and complete the assignment that they missed for the day. This is our classroom syllabus that the students reviewed at the beginning of the school year. A little bit about the curriculum and what we're going to be focusing on this year. We're really diving into those elements of art and principles of design and becoming comfortable and confident when we look at several different pieces of art and we use them in our artwork. We're also going to be completing two-dimensional and three-dimensional art projects. Your child has an art kit that we started with our school for them to come pick up. Many students have already picked them up, but we still have many that can be picked up, or if we can make an arrangement to get it to you, we will do that. And finally, working on building our literacy skills, really working with art criticism and being able to write and speak confidently about art. We do our daily activities when the students log into our Meet. We always start off with an opening activity, a DIN activity, where we will look at a specific piece of art and the students will have a question for them to answer. We'll either analyze, interpret the artwork, describe the artwork, or judge. Those are the 4 steps of art criticism. We will also do visual thinking strategies daily, really diving into that artwork and being able to break it down thoroughly. We also will use our Canvas page, which I showed you earlier, and that's where our class assignments will be posted, and it will also be our class projects that will be uploaded to Artsonia. So there is a difference between the assignments uploaded to Canvas and those uploaded to Artsonia. I made that very clear to the students that I will make sure to tell them where we will be uploading for that project and that assignment. Just a little bit about our classroom procedures. It's the expectation that the kids will log in to their Microsoft Team meetings Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, being polite and being respectful of one another, being prepared, having materials, whether it's our art kit that we provided for you, or if you prefer to have your own materials, being productive, making sure that your student is putting in their full effort. I do not grade on artistic ability. I only grade on effort. Being professional, using professional language when they enter the virtual meeting, using the hand raising icon when they have a question so we don't have the kids talking over one another, and then always being positive. This is a different kind of year for studio art. We're going to do the best we can to provide your student with a full, thorough art experience. If you have any questions for me at any time, always feel free to use the school phone number. You can use my email, which is also located on the syllabus. And we also have an ITC Instagram page at ITC Studio Art. You can follow us on Twitter at ITC Studio Art, and then our school Facebook page, which is We Are ITC. Thank you, and if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. I'm always here for any questions that you may have. Thank you. Have a good evening.